I'm super excited today for two reasons. First, it's summertime in Lake Tahoe, and there's no better place and no better time to be than right here, right now. Lake Tahoe in the summertime is awesome. I will argue with anybody that this is the greatest place to be in the world this time of year. In the wintertime, I'm not as certain. It's a beautiful place, but not as great as summertime. It's 77 degrees, it's beautiful, perfect weather every day. I love it. And I'm at this awesome house that I get to show you, 1077 Sawmill. It's in Incline Village, and it's in the Mill Creek subdivision, which is an awesome subdivision. And this is a great house in an awesome subdivision. Why is it so awesome? We're so close to the beach. The beaches are right over there, the Incline beaches that we're famous for. The golf courses are just up the hill. It's a great location. Mill Creek, we're very close to all the shopping and restaurants are just down the road. So it's an excellent location in a great neighborhood. It's a corner lot. We've got mature landscaping. This house is listed for $3,699,000. And if you saw my video last week, you saw that the median price for an Incline Village is $3,125,000. So we're just a little bit above the median price for Incline Village. And I think you're gonna understand why when you see this house. You've noticed the mature landscaping is beautiful. The house has a craftsman feel to it. They've done a lovely job. It's one of my favorite looks. You don't see it very often in Incline Village, but this house nailed it. So let's go check this house out. And if I'm talking too quickly, I apologize, but I'm just so excited because it's summertime in Lake Tahoe and life is great. So before we go in, I want to point out the craftsman door. It's just gorgeous. I love it. And before we go in, let me introduce myself. I'm Tahoe Tony Tuoto. I'm managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate in Incline Village on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. And I'm the founder of this YouTube channel, Living in Tahoe, where I put out videos about real estate, the lifestyle, everything great about living on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. So if you're interested in this video, go ahead and subscribe below, click on the notification bell, and you'll be the first one notified when I put out another video about living in Tahoe. So let's go check out this home. So as you see, they kept the craftsmanship style in this house. The nice wood beams, the wood wrap windows. We've got a slider right here to allow more airflow into the house. Fantastic job. We've got a lovely rock fireplace that's just timeless in its design. Very well done. As we come around here, so this house is 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. So they've got a lot of room for entertaining. So if you've got 5 bedrooms, you gotta have a nice amount of room, but it's not too big. It doesn't feel cavernous like some of the houses. This was built in '73, so they don't have really tall ceilings, but it feels really comfortable nonetheless. I love it. So a great dining room. You've got more room. If you wanted to put a bigger table here, you can. But nice, comfortable table, and it's nice and built, really solid like that. The kitchen is beautiful, open design. The pendants are fantastic. They put a nice line here, but not too big to get in the way. I always like when they have the windowed cupboards. I think it's a great look. You can put your glassware in there, and that adds to the craftsmanship style too as well. You got the sink right here. You've got your oven. You've got a nice refrigerator, pantry. Everything's well designed here, very close. It's a comfortable sized kitchen. It's not massive like some of the other homes I've shown. It's a good size. I could be very comfortable in her cooking. So just off the kitchen, they've got this family room, which I really like because if you've got people over there and somebody wants to come in here and watch the news or watch a game and doesn't want to be bothered, you can close this room off. It's a nice, comfortable room. You've got a fireplace here. You can sit and read. You've got a little TV. Whatever you need to do, you can take care of. And if you need some separation from somebody else, it's a great little room. You don't see that many living rooms anymore, and this house has it. I like it. So we went from the kitchen to the living room, family room, and now we're in the primary bedroom downstairs. Actually, 2 primary bedrooms in this house, one upstairs and one downstairs. And this one is a really good size and very comfortable room. We've got a nice king size bed in here with plenty of room for dressers on each side. You've got a dresser over there. You've got a nice little deck out here with windows so it doesn't feel too enclosed. And then you've got this nice cathedral ceiling with the wrap beams. They did a lovely job of keeping the craftsmanship look going in this room. They did a great job. And right back here, we've got a nice bathroom and a closet. Let's go check them out. primary bedroom, we have a very nice size closet here. We've got built-ins, comfortable, some dressers, nice light, access up to the attic. It's a good sized primary closet for this size primary bedroom. And then right across the hall, we have a nice primary bathroom. So really beautiful shower with a bench built in there. The stone is gorgeous. We've got the enclosed toilet, which everybody seems to like. A nice bench, dual sinks. Very well designed primary bathroom. So on the first level where we are, we've got one more full bathroom, which is great. So if you've got guests or entertaining, you don't have to let them in your primary bathroom. They can come here and use this bathroom. So we're gonna go upstairs next and check out the other bedrooms. For upstairs, we've got 3 more bedrooms here that I'm gonna show you and a full bath. So let's check this bedroom out first. So at the top of the stairs, we've got another primary bedroom. It's great. I don't know if you have 2 primaries, right? Anyway, we've got another master bedroom upstairs, which is kind of nice because I've worked over the years, doing this 26 years, and some people like to be on the same floor with their kids if they have little kids, and some people like to be separate. So this house has both, so it's great. Also, if you wanted to use this as your primary bedroom, if you have elderly folks coming to visit, they can be downstairs and not have to go up the stairs. So lots of options here. It's a great design. I think they did a very fantastic job with it. And again, another good sized room. We've got room for a desk and a dresser, a king size bed, beautiful windows, a ceiling fan, and then a nice big bathroom right over here. So just off upstairs primary bedroom, we've got a nice primary bathroom closet combination. Beautiful closet here with built-ins. It's really good size again, very smartly designed. We've got an enclosed toilet, which everybody seems to like. We've got a beautiful steam shower. So when you're in Tahoe, it's very dry, especially in the wintertime. There's nothing better than getting a steam shower and just letting the steam get all in. Your skin feels so good afterwards. So I love when people put the steam showers in and got dual heads in there. So very nice, comfortable shower. I'm sure they enjoy the heck out of it. You've got a bench here. I had a friend actually would bring books in the steam shower and they would get all swollen and everything. But now you could probably bring your iPad in there or something, just sit in there and read or whatever, it's great. We've got a big soaking tub here, which I love as well. And then we've got the dual sink, so very comfortable bathroom. I think I like this one better than the downstairs one, but I love steam showers, so that's me. As you can see, this is a nice sized bedroom. This looks like it might be a queen size bed. You've just got plenty of room for end tables after it. Nice light, closet, everything you need to be comfortable here. This is bedroom number 2 upstairs. Again, very comfortably sized room. Everything you need to be comfortable. We've got windows. It's great. Nice bedroom. They did a lovely job with this. The third bedroom is the bunk bedroom, right? We've got double set of bunk beds. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 beds, closet there. So if you've got grandkids or little kids coming to visit, everybody's got room. I just can't imagine how much fun kids have had in this room. They've got little stuffed animals down there. I mean, the memories they must have from this room are fantastic. So we've got another full bathroom upstairs. Remember, the primary bedroom has its own full bath. There's a full bath downstairs. Doesn't have a bedroom connected to it. So when you have these 3 bedrooms here, you've got this full bath with dual sinks, and then another full bath downstairs. So if you've got a room full of little kids over there, you should be plenty fine with bathroom for everybody. So we're in the mud room / laundry room. The garage is right here, and they've got a nice slate floor in here, which I love because in the wintertime, you might have snow on your boots or whatever. You come into this floor, you're not getting the hardwood floor wet. So they got slate floor in here, it's great. Or if you come in after skiing, you take off all your wet clothes or whatever. And it's a great room because you've got your sink, you've got your laundry. Back over here, they've got some covers and such. It looks like they might do some crafts in this room. And then they've got their exercise machine as well. So this is your mud room, laundry room, craft room / exercise room. Very smart for them to pack all this in this room. It's very great. So now we're gonna go check out the garage, which is just off this room. Perfect place for it. So we got a nice 2-car garage. You gotta have a 2-car garage on top, right? We got a nice two-car garage. We've got covered spacings. We've got hooks for your stand-up paddle boards. We've got a door to get outside there, which I like. And your wine cooler, right? And that's your refrigerator. So that's nice and tight. It's got a little bit of a slope to it too, so I like that. So if you do come in here in the wintertime and your car has snow on it, it'll all drips out. You don't have to worry about the snow on the ground. So this house is listed for $3,699,000, which is just above the median price. And the taxes are $10,666. And remember, in Nevada, your taxes are not based on the sales price of the house. The taxes, they have a formula. They're reassessed every few years. The property is assessed at one value and the house is assessed at another. House generally depreciates a lot, usually appreciates. So if you want more details on that, reach out to me. If you want me to give you an exact figure, I can't because I've talked to so many people. And it's a weird code, but it's not gonna generally go up on the sale of the house. So taxes are $10,669. So let's go check out the deck. Very lovely setting out here. You know, I like to spend a lot of time out on the deck in Tahoe because the weather is so beautiful. So they've got a really good sized deck. They've got looks like a Trex decking or Trex type decking on the ground. They've got all their picnic tables, the little server tray set up and everything. Looks like they're just getting ready to take off for summer. So very lovely house. I hope that you like this. I'm Tahoe Tony Tuoto, the managing broker for eXp Realty, Nevada Broker Salesman's License number 144620. And if you're thinking about making a move to the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, reach out to me, send me a text, shoot me a phone call, or send me an email, and I'll make sure that your move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada is the best move you've ever had.